Whoa! It's Sunday and it's sunny. And I'm feeling like having a cocktail, so it's fridge top cocktails. This week, today, whatever day this is. Why do I have a ponytail? Today I'm gonna do a take on a buck, but I'm gonna do it with 40 Creek. So I'm gonna call it a buck 40. So for top cocktails, I've got everything I need under here. What you're gonna need is lemon juice. I'm gonna do an ounce of that. And a buck is usually made with ginger ale, but I've got ginger syrup. So I'm gonna do that in soda, because who doesn't love a little bit of ginger syrup? And then I'm gonna do an ounce and a half. Actually, let's do 2 ounces of 40 Creek, sorry. Canadian whiskey. Put on my glass. Alright, shaky time.
I've been really trying.
Give it a little taste. Oh, I'm gonna put in my favorite little crazy tortilla cup. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in there. Oh yeah. The dirty pour. And finish it off with a little bit of soda for that sparkliness. It's the water that dances. Ooh, man, my hair is crazy. A buck 40. 40 Creek. Buck. Delicious. Cheers.